Dear viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to create Telegram bot within few minutes. But before the tutorial video, make sure you subscribe our channel and ring the bell icon for next video's notification. Open your Telegram and go to the search option. Search BotFather and hit enter. Here is the verified bot of BotFather. Click on Start at the bottom. Click on New Bot. Now, you need to choose a name for your bot. It's completely on your choice and preference. I am selecting my bot name as Noya11bot. Now, choose a username. Make sure it completely different from the other bot username. Here choosing the username same as my bot name. Copy the HTTP token for the next and important process. It's time to set a description for our bot. Type /set description. That will shown in your bot description area. Now, select your bot and write a description according to your concept. Let's set a profile picture. Type /set user pic and hit enter. Now, select a picture. We successfully create our Telegram bot. In the next part, I will show you how to customize and make our bot responsive. See you in the next part. Till then, enjoy the another contents of our channel. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.